and we are coming now to the Olympus system, which we will present from Zurich.
Dear colleagues, good morning from Zurich. I'm here with Dr. Jakovenko from the Oberek Clinic in Kiev and with my team, Jane and Iliriana. And we would like to demonstrate you now the Olympus AI system. And for the detection of polyps, there are two important factors. I think one factor is that we need a good endoscope and we need a good exposure of the mucosa. And when we start with the endoscope, the Olympus system comes with a new X1 processor. And first, I would like to demonstrate you the new features of the Olympus X1 processor. The new features start already with the white light, and especially in the colon with the new EVIS X1 system, we have a better illumination of the whole space. This is called BIMAC technology, and now please focus on the distal part at this picture, on the center. Please switch on BIMAC. And now you could nicely appreciate that the distal part is now brighter, but the proximal part is not over-illuminated. This is one new feature. Second feature is EDOF. EDOF means that we have a sharp image in the near and in the far field at the same time. As you can see here, we see sharp here and here at the same time. Another feature is TXI. TXI is a post-processing feature, and this feature enhances not only the color but also the brightness and the structure. And so we have these new technology with regard to the white light. The examination I'm performing with the endocuff, because I've mentioned before that the exposure of the mucosa is very important for the detection. And now I will start the colonoscopy with the Olympus AI system. We will switch on now the AI system. And I'm using the regular white light. And now we are slowly withdrawing the colonoscope. And thanks to the endocuff, the mucosa is nicely exposed. This is the valve. Now I'm going to slowly withdraw the endoscope. And here we have a nice polyp. And this is important to note. The Olympus system, the AI system, works with white light and TXI. And when we use NBI, we can characterize the polyp. And I think this is here a nice adenoma which has to be resected. The Olympus system has two sensitivity levels, A and B. A is more sensitive, and the advantage of the system is because this is all from one company, there is no perceivable delay in the AI detection. And from my personal experience, there is a short learning curve to adapt at the system. So we will later resect this polyp. I'm withdrawing the endoscope a little bit more, and you see here nicely this combination of exposuring the mucosa by the endocuff and my co-pilot, the AI of Olympus, helps me to detect suspicious areas, and there you nicely see here is another polyp we later will resect. Thank you very much.